Hey, Emma, come on in. Make yourself comfortable. I just put some snacks on the table, chips and dip. How's your day going?
Hey, John. Pretty good, thanks. I went to the supermarket this morning, got everything on my list, but wow, prices are up again. How about you? Good day?
Yeah, same old. I was there yesterday, too. Grabbed some milk and bread. But you're right, prices. Everything costs more these days. So, let's talk about it. At the supermarket, asking about prices and items. Super useful stuff for daily life.
Totally, especially when you're trying to stick to a budget or find something specific. Like sometimes I can't find the aisle for spices, or I see something and wonder, is this cheap or expensive?
Exactly. Okay, start simple. When you need help finding something,
You go to a worker and say, "Excuse me,"
excuse me, where can I find the pasta?
or "Do you have any fresh strawberries today?"
Good ones. And they might say, aisle 5, end of the row, or yes, right over there in produce.
Produce, that's fruits and veggies. I always forget the names for sections, like dairy for milk and cheese, bakery for bread.
Yep, and if it's not there, sorry, we're out of stock, or we just ran out.
That happened to me last week with eggs. I asked, "Do you have any eggs?" They said, "No, sorry, delivery tomorrow." Bummer.
I hate that. Then you have to change plans. Okay, now prices. How do you ask?
Simple. "How much is this?" While pointing.
Or how much does this cost?
Yeah, for fruits, "How much are these apples?" Or "What's the price per pound?"
Per pound, important in the US. Like, bananas are 59 cents per pound.
And if it's on sale, "Is this on sale?" Or "Any discounts today?"
Smart. Cashiers sometimes say, buy one, get one free, or it's two for $5.
Love deals. Okay, let's do a little role play. Pretend I'm the customer, you're the worker.
Excuse me. Hi, where can I find the cereal?
Hi, cereal is in aisle 8, right in the middle.
Thanks. And how much is this box of corn flakes?
Let me check. It's $4.99, but it's on sale. Buy one, get one half off.
See? Easy. You asked for a location, then price, and got a deal.
Felt natural. Now, what if you want a specific brand or type?
Like, do you have low-fat milk? Or, I'm looking for organic tomatoes.
Or where are the gluten-free products?
Yes, more and more people ask that. Stores usually have a section now.
Good. And if something's too expensive, you can say, do you have anything cheaper? Or is there a cheaper brand?
Politely, yeah. This is a bit pricey. Any alternatives?
Exactly. Don't want to sound rude. Okay, funny story. Last month, I asked, how much for these avocados? The guy said $2 each. I thought, whoa, expensive. Then I saw the sign, it was $2 for three. I misread it.
Oh no, classic. I did something similar with cheese. Asked, how much is this block? He said $6.99. I grabbed it. At checkout, it scanned as $12. Wrong label on the shelf. We had a good laugh.
Mistakes happen, but asking clears it up, better than surprises at the register.
True. Speaking of register, at checkout, did you find everything okay? And you can say, yes, thanks. Or, actually, I couldn't find the honey.
Then they might say, "Let me check for you."
Helpful. And paper or plastic for bags. Or, do you need a receipt?
And paying, card or cash. I always say card, please.
Me too. Okay, let's list some key phrases for beginners. Sure. Excuse me, where can I find? Do you have any? How much is this? How much per pound or kilogram? Is this on sale? Can I get half a kilo of? Thanks for your help.
Great. Add, could you help me find if you're polite?
Yes, and always thank you makes the worker smile.
So, do you make a list before shopping or just go?
I try to make a list, but I always add extra stuff, like, ooh, ice cream looks good. You?
List all the way. Otherwise, I buy junk. But prices, I check for sales first.
Smart. Apps help too, show weekly deals.
Yeah, but in the store, asking is fastest.
True. And talking to people makes it less boring. Sometimes I chat with the cashier about the weather or recipes.
Nice. Builds confidence in English, too.
Exactly. For beginners, don't be shy. Practice these phrases at home first, then use them. Even if slow, people understand.
And smile helps a lot.
Yes. So the big takeaway, asking about prices and items is simple. Just be polite, clear, and point if needed.
Right. It saves money, finds what you want, and makes shopping easier.
And maybe even make a friend at the store.
Who knows? This was fun, Emma. Now I'm hungry for snacks.
Me too. Let's eat these chips.
Deal. Thanks for the chat.
Anytime, John. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. See you soon.
Bye.